student, we have learned the point regulation. What is mean by regulation? The phenomena in which ice is converted into water due to applied pressure and again refreezes from water into ice when pressure is removed. This is called as a regulation. So when we apply the pressure, melting point of ice decreases to 0 degrees Celsius so that ice melt into water. But when we remove the pressure, then water is again reconverted into ice. So this phenomena is related with the pressure. Regulation is related with the pressure. Now next point is, can you tell? One question is asked. We feel that some objects are cold, some are hot. Is this feeling related in some way to our body temperature? That is, some object, we feel some object hot, some object cold. Is this phenomena related with our body temperature? Answer is yes. If temperature of object is less than our body temperature, we feel that that object is cold. And if temperature of that object is higher than our body temperature, we feel that that object is hot. Normally our body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. You know that. So if temperature of object is less than our body temperature, we feel that that object is cold. For example, ice. And when temperature of object is higher than our body temperature, we feel that that object is hot. For example, boiling water. Its temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. As compared to our body temperature, this temperature is very high. So we feel that this object is hot. Now this is the answer of this question. Now today we are going to learn the interesting phenomena, that is anomalous behavior of water. What is mean by anomalous? Anomalous means different. That is, water shows different behavior in the temperature range 0 to 4 degrees Celsius is called as anomalous behavior of water. So what is that behavior? Normally when we supply the heat to any substance, then its temperature changes or there is a rise in temperature of that substance. So during the rise in temperature of that substance, it expands. Expand means the atoms and molecules present in that substance, so distance between them increases. During expansion, distance between the atoms and molecule increases. So there is a conversion of phases from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. So normally when we supply the heat to any substance, it expands. But in case of water, when we supply the heat, instead of expansion, it shows contraction. That is, atoms or molecules present in the water, they will get close to each other. Instead of go farther from each other, they come close to each other. So distance between them decreases. So this behavior of water is different. So what is the definition of anomalous behavior of water? You can see, if we heat water from 0 degree up to 4 degrees Celsius, it contracts instead of expanding. At 4 degrees Celsius, its volume is minimum. Always remember, when any substance is expanded, its volume increases, or when any substance contracts, its volume decreases. So here water get contract in the temperature range 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. So what will happen? The effect of that is the volume decreases. So at 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum. You can see here, at 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum due to contraction. If water is heated further, it expands. After 4 degrees Celsius, if we supply the heat, what will happen? Then volume of water increases. At 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum. But after 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water increases. You can see in this graph. We are going to explain this graph also. So at 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum due to contraction. If water is heated further, it expands, volume increases. This behavior of water between temperature range from 0 degree to 4 degrees Celsius is called anomalous behavior of water. Anomalous means different behavior of a water. The behavior of water between the temperature range from 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius is called anomalous behavior of water. In this behavior, water contract, so volume of water decreases or minimum at a 4 degree Celsius. So when volume and density are inversely proportional, volume and density are inversely proportional. When volume decreases, density increases, and when volume increases, density decreases. Always remember, volume and density are inversely proportional. When volume increases, density decreases. When volume decreases, density increases. At 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum, so density is maximum. At 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum, that is density is maximum. So you can see here, one question is asked in the exercise, question number 2. So another graph which is present on the page number 65 is explained. So we are going to read the explanation of this graph is the answer of question number 2 present in your exercise. So I am going to read the question number 2 in your exercise. What is that question? Observe the following graph. Considering the change in volume of water as its temperature is raised from 0 degree Celsius, discuss the difference in behavior of water and other substances. What is the water of behavior, or what is this behavior of water is called? So I am going to explain this graph. What is this graph? You can see here, this is the graph of volume versus temperature. So if 1 kg of water is heated from 0 degree and its volume is plotted as a function of temperature, that is 1 kg of water is heated from 1, 2, 3, 4, these are degrees Celsius. So temperature increases. When we supply the heat to the water, then its temperature increases. When we plot the graph of volume versus temperature, we will get such a type of graph. So its volume is plotted as a function of temperature. We get graph as shown in the figure at 4 degrees Celsius. Now look at this graph. This is very important graph. You can see at 4 degrees Celsius, what will happen? Volume is minimum. At 4 degrees Celsius, you can see volume of water is minimum. At 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum. It contract. So its density is maximum. As 4 degrees Celsius, water contract. So its volume decreases. That is, its volume is minimum. So as volume is minimum, density is maximum. As volume is minimum, density is maximum. Other substances. What is the difference between water and other substances? This question is asked in the question number 2 of your exercise. What is the difference between other substances and water? So other substances at 4 degrees Celsius expand. At 4 degrees Celsius, other substances expand and their volume increases. But in case of water at 4 degrees Celsius, volume decreases. So behavior of water is different in the range 0 degree to 4 degrees Celsius. So behavior of water is different in the temperature range 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. It is called as anomalous behavior of water. So this behavior of water is called as anomalous behavior of water. Always remember, this anomalous behavior of water is possible in the temperature range at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. After 4 degrees Celsius, you can see after 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water increases. In this graph, you can see after 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water increases. But only at 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum. So density of water is maximum here. But after 4 degrees Celsius, density of water is minimum and volume is maximum. So always remember, at 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is minimum, density is maximum. After 4 degrees Celsius, volume of water is maximum, density is minimum. So this is the answer of question number 2 in your exercise. Suppose this graph is asked in the exam, explain this graph, then you have to write all these points which I have explained to you.